Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Kia Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy, feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, rear window wiper, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.